Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I am going to explain an super hackathon which is conducted by the Karnataka State Police Government of Karnataka. The hackathon name stands for Datathon 2026. While I was reading, I was very fascinated. It is a good hackathon for data analysts, machine learning engineers, and many more data analytics domain or data domain people. You can utilize this opportunity. The title stands for Datathon 2026 and technology partner, it is by Zoho. Okay, it is conducted by Karnataka State Police, which is comes under the Karnataka government of Karnataka. Okay, the last date to register is Sunday 19 July 2026. Before that, do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am posting lot of technical videos and research news and Google Cloud solutions and data related to data analytics. I am posting lot of videos in English. So daily I'm planning to post one video. So it really motivates to post daily lot of videos if you subscribe and press the notification bell button for timely updates also, right? Okay. So this challenge is called as Datathon 2026. It is a nationwide innovation challenge conducted by Karnataka State Police aimed at leveraging data to build smarter and safer and more efficient systems for law enforcement and public safety. So in this, they are concentrating on the crime rates to be reduced and what are the crime rates, what it is going to, how we can reduce the crime rates. This is all the mission of this and law enforcement, right? And synergy, bringing together systematically from students, professional, all people like students, professional developers, data scientists, analysts to tackle complex real world challenges using advanced data driven approaches. Okay, objective, participate will work on impactful problem statements to build scalable solutions and contribute to strengthening public safety infrastructure through technological innovations. Here they have given you huge amount of data. From that we have to predict something that I will be explaining in the coming slides, right? And here you have to improve the public safety infrastructure. This is your main objective. Okay, so it is live. So please register for this, right? And who can participate? Students and working professionals, startups and independent innovators. Why participate? Let me say my experience. Like while you are working on the data, while you are applying for the data analyst roles or machine learning role, whatever you are uploading, right, or you are applying, right? For that, lot of internships and hackathons they are expecting. So the competition is very high. So you can participate in this hackathon for solving real world problems, build with purpose, gain recognition, networking opportunities, and skill enhancement also, and winning exciting prize. Okay, what are the challenges? They have given two challenges. Okay, intelligent conversational AI for KSP crime database, right? So it's the State Crime Records Bureau manages a large and continuously expanding repository of crime-related data from 1,100 police stations across Karnataka. Current system rely on static dashboards and manual queries, limiting deep analysis and real-time insights. So here they have dashboard and manual queries, right? Limiting deep analysis and real-time insights. What the challenge we have to do? What the challenge is for that? Intelligent conversational platform AI enabling investigators to query crime data using natural language, uncover pattern related relationships and predictive insights, right? You have to create a conversational AI chatbot or something where the analysis should be come from the prompts, right? So that's the given. They given also they are asking us to form identify the insights and discovery, network analysis, everything, right? So key features, what is that? And what you have to do? Natural language bot, chat bot, English plus Kannada, voice enabled interaction, context aware conversions, PDF export also you have to do, criminal network visualization, criminal trend, predictive analytics, exposure in audit trials, and role based secure access, right? Second one, AI driven crime analytics and visualization platform. Current systems rely on siloed data and manual reporting, limited advanced analytics and proactive policy processing. From that, what I'm understanding that we have to put advanced predictive analysis, whatever we have to do. Develop a modern AI-powered analytics platform to transfer fragment records, action, and intelligence. Okay. So key capabilities, whatever it is in the sense, network or link of criminals, repeat offender tracking, social economic crime correlation, predictive risk scoring, AMA, ML based pattern deduction. Okay, so this is the challenge too. Okay, rewards what they are going, total price is going to around 10 lakhs. Winner will get 2.5 per challenge, and first runner will come around 1.5 and second runner will come on 1 lakh per challenge. Okay, timeline starts from 25th May to 19th July. Okay, and prototype submission starts from 28th May to 26th July, and problem state explainer starts from 4th June to 4th June only. And Zoho will be, what they're going to do, they are going to give you the access and training of Catalyst, which is an AI platform by Zoho. Okay, it starts from 11th June, and another AMA session will be conducted 18th June, and initial shortlist enrollment on 19th. Prototype refinement 19th August to 30, and induction section will start from 20th August, and Menti Connects will start from 28th August 2028, and final shortlist will start from 9th September, and 26th September will be grand finale. It will be in demo, which will be given by the mail communication. Okay, so this is all about today's video, and if you like this video, do like and share, subscribe to VK Tech Insights. Okay, take care and bye. We'll meet back in another video.